15 interesting, fun, and awesome psychology facts you wish you knew. Psychology is a vast and fascinating field that delves deep into the human mind, behavior, and emotions. While some psychological insights are well known, many lesser-known facts are both fun and intriguing, revealing just how complex and surprising human nature can be. Here are 15 interesting, fun, and awesome psychology facts you'll wish you knew sooner. 1. Your brain can trick you into seeing things that aren't there. This phenomenon, known as pareidolia, is why we often see faces in clouds, electrical outlets, or rock formations. Our brains are wired to recognize human faces, so they interpret patterns that vaguely resemble facial features. 2. Multitasking is a myth. Although many people believe they can multitask effectively, studies show that the brain doesn't truly do multiple tasks at once. Instead, it switches rapidly between tasks, which reduces efficiency and increases the likelihood of errors. 3. You remember emotionally charged moments more vividly. This is known as the flashbulb memory effect. Events that evoke strong emotions, like joy or trauma, are imprinted more deeply in the brain and recalled more clearly than neutral events. 4. Color affects your perception and behavior. Psychology has shown that different colors can influence mood and behavior. For example, red can increase alertness and heart rate, while blue tends to promote calmness and trust. 5. Your subconscious makes decisions before your conscious mind does. Research using brain imaging has shown that our brains make decisions seconds before we are consciously aware of them. This means much of what we think of as free will might be heavily influenced by subconscious processes. 6. People are more likely to conform in a group setting. This is known as social conformity, and it was famously demonstrated in the Asch experiments. People will often go along with the group's opinion even if they know it's wrong just to fit in. 7. We tend to remember the first and last items in a list best. This is called the serial position effect. The primacy effect helps us remember the beginning of the list, and the recency effect helps with the end. The middle, not so much. 8. Mirror neurons help us feel empathy. These special brain cells fire both when we do something and when we see someone else do the same thing. They're a key reason why we can understand and empathize with others' emotions and actions. 9. People with high emotional intelligence tend to be more successful. Emotional intelligence (EQ) refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions while also being sensitive to others. High EQ is linked to better relationships, leadership skills, and even job performance. 10. We're naturally biased toward negative information. This is called the negativity bias. Our brains are wired to react more strongly to negative experiences than positive ones because it's a survival mechanism. It helps us avoid danger but can also skew our perception of reality. 11. Eye contact builds trust, but too much can feel threatening. Moderate eye contact is associated with honesty and confidence. However, staring for too long can feel invasive or aggressive, which is why social cues matter so much in communication. 12. You can trick your brain into being happier. Even forcing a smile can boost your mood slightly, thanks to the facial feedback hypothesis. Your brain interprets the physical act of smiling as a signal that you're happy, releasing mood-enhancing chemicals like dopamine. 13. Your handwriting can reveal personality traits. Graphology, the study of handwriting, suggests that slant, pressure, and spacing can indicate traits like introversion, impulsiveness, or attention to detail. While controversial, many believe handwriting offers psychological clues. 14. The placebo effect is powerful. If you believe a treatment will work, your brain can actually produce effects that mimic the real thing. This shows how strong the connection is between mind and body, and it's why placebos often show measurable improvements. 15. You're more persuasive when you mimic others. Subtly copying someone's body language, tone, or speech patterns, a technique known as the chameleon effect, can make you more likable and persuasive because people are drawn to those who are similar to them. Psychology offers endless insight into what makes us tick, how we think, and why we behave the way we do. These facts aren't just fun to know, they can help you better understand yourself and others, making everyday interactions richer and more meaningful. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.